Relax your mind, relax the whole body. So slowly we are going to the variation. Inhale, cobra posture. Try to touch your chin on the floor. Cobra posture. Exhale to the child pose. Child pose. 2 more times. Inhale. Slowly. Yeah, that's great job. Exhale, child pose. And the last one. Inhale. Up. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale, come to downward facing dog. Relax yourself, try to tighten your knees. Try to relax your calf muscle. Inhale, right leg up, all the way up, yeah. Exhale, right leg front. And drop your knees, drop your knees. Again, inhale, both palms side of the body, try to touch on the floor, look up, chin up. Maintain for, again 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, right knee straight. Drop your both palms side of the foot. Forehead touch to leg. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. Hold the breath. Chaturanga. If you cannot, you can drop your knees, chest and chin. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale, cobra posture, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, downward facing dog. Same from the left side. Inhale, left leg up, left leg front in between your palm. Drop your knees. Again, inhale, drop your both palms on the back. That's great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, left knee straight. Thangchen, that's 1. Forehead touch to leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath and Chaturanga. Inhale, cobra posture. Look up, chin up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right leg front in between your palm. Come to great warrior posture. Warrior number 1, Virabhadrasana. Yes. Just try to maintain. That's great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, both palms in front of your chest. Slowly come down. Try to focus on your thighs. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your heel down. Right palm on the floor and left palm all the way up over your head. Yeah, that's great, that's great, that's great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same, just change our hands. Drop your left palm down, right hand all the way up and slowly over your head. Slowly over your head. That's great. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Drop your both palm down. Right leg back to plank pose. Hold the breath. Chaturanga. Inhale, cobra posture. Exhale, downward facing dog. Slowly, one by one, try to heel up down. Try to relax your calf muscle. Try to relax your ankle joint. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg front in between your palms. Again, great warrior posture, Asana. Maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, that's great. Both palms in front of your chest. Same, maintain here. 3, 4, 5. Drop your left palm on the floor. Inhale, right hand all the way up over your head. That's great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly, right palm down and left hand over your head. Exhale. Inhale, maintain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your left palm down. Left leg back to plank pose. Drop your knees first. Chest and chin. Spread your body in front of your body. Nice. From here, right side, bend your body as much as possible. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side. Come center. Inhale, center. Exhale. Come front. That's great. Maintain. 1, 2, and 3. Relax. Both palm back side. Elbow close to the body. Inhale, go back maximum. Exhale. Try to grab your ankle. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. The last one, inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, a little bit open more and forehead touch to mat. Both hands grab your ankle, forehead touch to mat. That's swung. That's great job. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. So we spread our leg right side and left side as much as possible you can comfortable. Now we go to the twist our body from right side to left side to right side like this. Raise your both hands up. Inhale, raise your hands up, high thigh line. Exhale, right hand over your belly and left hand over your head. Grab your ankle. Beautiful. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right side. Twist your spine. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side. The last one, inhale, center. Exhale to the right side and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's great job. Same, inhale and exhale. Twist your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Raise your both hands up. Slowly come down as much as possible you can. Slowly relax your hips. Relax your shoulder. You feel more stretching. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Same. And the last one, follow me. Right hand back side, grab your thigh. Exhale, left hand over your head. Grab your ankle joint as much as possible you can. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side down. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right side down. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side down. So the last one, inhale, center. Exhale, right side down. Maintain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side down. Maintain. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Both hands grab your ankle. If possible, then try to touch your chin on the floor. Excellent. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Come center. Both feet together. Right side, left side. Twist your spine. Right, tip. Come to butterfly. Feet together. Butterfly. Try to touch your knee on the floor. Continue. Both palms over your knees and press it. High thigh. Yes, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. The last one. Inhale, both palms back side. Interlock your finger and slowly, slowly back side as much as possible you can. Exhale, come up. Yes, raise your hands up. Come front, touch to mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Thangchan. Spread your leg. We come to the Janu Sirasana. First, fold your right leg. Right leg. Chan 5. Right leg. Yes. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Follow me. Hand side of the body. Left hand grab your knees and right hand over your head. Grab your ankle. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Inhale, both hand up. Right palm back side of the mat. Left hand all the way up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice. Relax. Change your leg. Left leg fold. Again, come to the left side. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale. Down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hand side of the body. Right hand grab your knees. Left hand over your head. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, left palm back side of the mat and right hand all the way up. Try to relax your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Come center. Relax. Hug your knees. Hug your knees. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please lie down on the back. Okay, from here, right leg up, straight up. Now slowly right leg rotate clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reverse. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg, left side. Grab your ankle by left hand. Fold your left leg grab by right hand. Twist your spine. Look to the right. Try to relax your back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Same steps to the left side. Inhale up. Clockwise rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Same anti-clock. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left leg to the right side, grab by right hand. Right leg fold, right leg grab by left hand. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come center. Twist your spine, right to left, left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Come to fold your knees, both hands, grab your ankle. Inhale, hip up, Mamlin. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. 3, 4, 5. Both legs over your head. Yeah. Drop your both feet down and both hand back side, interlock your finger. Thang thai. Yes, interlock your finger. That's great job. Maintain, maintain, maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4. If possible, from here, right leg up. If you cannot, you can take support. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, so it's your right leg down and left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Drop your both palm down and slowly hip down, palm swung. Twist your spine to the right side, left side, right, left. Okay, relax. Legs apart, hands apart, and close your eyes. Just 2 minutes.